Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I believe is the best plug adapter for Switzerland, the 2-pack Switzerland Travel Plug Adapter by OneBeat. Whether you're heading to Switzerland, Liechtenstein, or certain areas of Rwanda, this compact and versatile adapter is designed to make your travel experience seamless and hassle-free. Right out of the box, what stands out is the adapter's 6-in-1 functionality. It converts one Swiss Type-J socket into 3 standard American outlets, plus it offers 3 USB charging ports, 2 USB-C and 1 USB-A. This means you can charge up to 6 devices simultaneously, perfect for all your gadgets like phones, tablets, power banks, and more. The USB ports deliver a total output of 5 volts at 3.1 amps, with the USB-C ports supporting up to 3 amps for faster charging. It's important to note, however, that the USB-C ports are not Quick Charge 3.0 compatible and won't support devices requiring 9 to 22 volts. The size and weight make this adapter incredibly travel-friendly. Measuring just 2.6 by 1.9 by 1.5 inches and weighing under 8 ounces, it's easy to toss into your bag without adding bulk. Plus, its compact design makes it suitable not only for travel but also for everyday use in hotels, dorm rooms, or even your kitchen or bathroom. One crucial point to remember is that this adapter is not a voltage converter. It supports devices with a wide voltage range from 100 to 250 volts. So if you plan to use appliances like hairdryers, straighteners, or electric razors, make sure they support dual voltage. Otherwise, you'll need a separate voltage converter. Safety-wise, the adapter is designed without surge protection or cords, making it fully cruise ship approved. It also features an indicator light to let you know when the power is on, adding a layer of user convenience. With a maximum power capacity of 2,500 watts at 10 amps, this adapter handles a variety of devices safely and efficiently. The built-in smart technology detects connected devices and delivers the optimal charging speed, helping to protect your electronics from overcharging or overheating. Overall, the OneBeat Switzerland Travel Plug Adapter is a thoughtfully designed accessory for anyone visiting Switzerland or the surrounding regions. It combines multiple outlets and USB ports into one sleek, compact device that saves space, keeps your devices powered, and fits easily into your travel gear. If you're planning a trip to Switzerland and want a reliable, efficient, and versatile power adapter, this is definitely one to consider. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth reviews on the latest travel essentials. Safe travels!